So in today's lecture, as I told you all, we will be discussing how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. What did I tell you? When it is not possible for you all to separate variables, like keeping one variable on one side and another variable on the other side, then go for second method. Second method is what? Homogeneous differential equation. So how would you identify whether the given equation differential equation is homogeneous or not? Can anyone tell me how would you identify? How do you identify the given differential equation is homogeneous? Hello, you're not audible, Bipin. Come on, other kids. You all were saying now, you all have understood. Explain me, find the order of variables. Order, we don't say, we say a degree. Okay. We check degree. We check degree. Good. So you'll be having, suppose you're having a differential equation of this type. Some function of x and y in the numerator and some function of x and y in the denominator. You have to check each term, they should be of the same degree, same power. Okay. For example, I had given you this. हाँ प्रथम किसको मार रहा है तू? हाँ, with whom you are fighting? प्रथम.
My brother was.
हाँ, क्यों उसको मार रहा है?
मैं डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ छोटा है.
अच्छा. Okay, so as you can see, it is a differential equation of the. Okay, is it homogeneous? Is it homogeneous?
Yes.
Oh yes, because you can see, there are two terms in the numerator and both are of same power, and the same thing in the denominator also. Both are of the same power, 2, 2, 2. So this such type of equation is known as what? Homogeneous. Okay, so how to solve homogeneous differential equation? The steps tells you that there are a few steps. Okay, so this is step 1. So convert the homogeneous differential equation into variable separable. How would you convert that? By taking the substitution y equals to vx. So this substitution you have to take. Okay, also remember v is not a constant function. V is what? Y upon x. It is also a function of y and x. So when you will differentiate this y with respect to x, because you have to replace dy by dx also. So differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So ये substitute करोगे इधर, and इसको आप क्या करोगे? Variable separable method से solve करोगे, and final answer should not contain v in it. V you will replace by y by x. Okay, have you understood the explanation of homogeneous differential equation? Now, so how we are going to solve it, that we will see through problems. Okay. So let us begin with the problem. I'll take the question number 1. Question number 1. Solve x dy by dx plus y square upon x y. What do you try to do first? What you will do?
Check degree.
For that, you need to keep dy by dx on one side, right? For that, you need to keep dy by dx on one side. So let us see the solution of this. So we'll solve it. So for that, I'll keep dy by dx on one side. So if I'll keep dy by dx on one side, so what I will get, take this y square minus y by x on the other side. I'll get this. Is this right? Is this correct? What did I do? I took this term on the other side.
Yes,
So here it is with plus sign, there it will be with minus. Then x dy by dx, now cross multiply over there. So that I'll get numerator and denominator factors. So xy minus y square upon x. Is this understood? I just did cross multiplication. There's nothing, means what? There's 1. Now you can take x on the other side. What I will get, dy by dx is equals to x into y minus x minus y square upon x square. Now, is it possible for me to separate the variables? I think it is possible for me, but since we are using
degree.
Homogeneous so is it homogeneous differential equation?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
it is not possible for me to separate no variables. So it is a homogeneous differential equation because there are two terms in the numerator What is the power of this first term?
2, ma'am.
2.
1 1
Yes.
x
Now
का 1 y का
how
1
is it one? How is it
x
one?
का 1 y का 1 दोनों
Yes, so
मिलके
x का
2
1 y का, so total power is what? 2.
2
2.
The same
Yes,
with the
ma'am, it's
second
2.
term is also power of 2. So numerator, they are of same power, and what is with the denominator? That is also of same power. So yes, it is a. Therefore, the given differential equation is what? Therefore, the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. So what you will do next? I'll just make it equation number star. Now what is to be done next?
We'll have to consider y is equal to vx.
Yes. Now take substitution y equals to vx. Okay, then next step, what I will do, differentiate this with respect to x. Okay. So what will happen with the left hand side? Left hand side will become
Ma'am, dy by dx.
yes, it is dy by dx, and right hand side
U into v, मतलब
V plus x into dv upon dx.
x into dv by dx.
yes, dv by dx, correct. So all these substitution we are going to substitute in equation number star. I'm sorry. So from star, what I will get? So dy by dx, in place of dy by dx, I will write v plus x dv by dx, right? See equation number star. Where is it? Here it is, no? So in place of dy by dx, what I will write?
v plus
V
x
plus
dv by dx.
x dv by dx.
Is this clear? Then
Yes.
on the right hand side,
X y minus y square upon x square.
x, in place of y,
X
what you will
into
write? V into
Vx.
x.
v into x ma'am.
Correct. And y square, vx the whole square upon x
X
square as
square.
it is. Now let us simplify it further and see what I'll get. I'll just simplify this. So v plus x on one side, and what I'll get on the right hand side? Can I see the term will be on the right hand side will be vx square minus v square x square? Correct?
yes ma'am
Okay, now
Yes,
what is common in numerator? I think x square is common. What will be left inside? V minus v square upon x square. So this will and this will get cancelled, right?
Yes.
Then v plus x dv by dx is equals to v minus v square. Again, anything is getting cancelled.
Cancel v both sides.
V will get cancelled. So what is left? X dv by dx minus v square. Now, is it possible for me to separate variables?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes,
simplified.
ma'am.
Yes, so minus 1 upon v square, it will come over here and this will go over there. Is this clear? Now, have they got separated?
Integrate them.
Now we'll integrate. So I'll do over here. Is it fine if I'll write over here? So
Yes.
minus is constant, take it outside. 1 upon v square, can I write this way? V raised to minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then is equals to integration of 1 upon x dx plus, sorry, dx here. Okay, now you're smart enough. What will
Yes,
happen
ma'am.
next?
The answer आएगा minus of v raised to minus 1.
What is the integration of v raised to minus 2?
Ma'am,
what is
x
the
V
into
raised to
integration?
minus 1 upon minus 1.
V raised to minus 1 upon minus 1, correct. Is equals to on the right hand side.
Log mod x plus c.
Yes, log of mod x plus c. Now this minus minus will get cancelled. Here it will be 1 upon v equals to log of mod of x plus c. What is 1 upon v? Again, final answer is not this. We have to re-substitute in place of v.
हम पुट करेंगे
हाँ, तो
v
v
equal
क्या था
to
हमारा y by x. तो 1 upon v क्या हो जाएगा?
1 upon v x by y.
Correct. ये log of mod of x plus c. So this is the final answer. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I give you one question? Would you all do that?
मैम
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
मिनट ऊपर लो ना,
Yeah, sure.
एसएस लेना है. डन मैम.
Okay. Now I'm giving you a second question that is very easy. Okay. I know you all can do that. Question number 2. Solve. So here you do not have to see whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. आप directly इसको क्या करोगे? How would you solve this? कैसे
V is
solve
equal to y
करोगे?
by x.
V equals to very nice basis. So you will just take a substitution as V equals to y by x. Very good. So चलो अभी you are smart enough. Now what you have to do further? So V equals to y by x ले लिया, तो आपको क्या करना है? अभी dy by dx निकालना है. So क्या हो जाएगा? Y क्या हो जाएगा?
Substitute करेंगे मैम.
Y क्या हो जाएगा? Vx हो गया, तो dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा?
v plus x.
Yes, v plus x dv by dx. तो ये सारे substitution इधर equation number star में करो and solve करो and let me know कि what is the final answer of this question. Okay? Will you all do that? Just try it by yourself and let me know you are able to do it or not. Okay? Let us have the okay, for those who have not understood this problem, pay attention. Are you all paying attention over here?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
see here.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was my question. This was my given differential equation. I'll just highlight it. So dy by dx is equals to tan y by x plus y by x. Okay, this was my given differential equation. All right. Then what did I do? What I observed that y by x expression is there. So what did I do? I took v equals to y by x. Okay, then what I'll get? Y equals to vx. Why am I taking y equals to vx? Because I have to replace dy by dx also. So that is why I'm differentiated and I got dy by dx as v plus x dv by dx. Now substitute all these things in equation number star. So what I will get on the left hand side in place of dy by dx, I will write v plus x dv by dx. And right hand side will become tan v plus v. Now you can see v and v is getting cancelled. You'll be left with this. Is this clear? Then what I'm doing, I'm separating variables. So I'll take tan v on left hand side and I'll take x on the right hand side. I'll get this expression. Now take integration on both the sides. 1 upon tan is cot, and integration of cot is what? Log of mod of sin v. And integration of 1 upon x is log x and plus integration constant. Now before you take anti-log, you need to have only log term on the right hand side. So log a plus log b will become log a into b. So that is x into c in this case. Now you can take anti-log, so you will get sin v equals to x into c. But you have to replace v also at the end. So v, I'll replace it by y by x. So this is the final answer. Have you all understood this problem? Have you all understood this problem? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll take one more question and then we'll stop. The one last question on this homogeneous method. That too also you're going to solve by yourself and let me know whether you're able to do it. Sorry, question number 3, I'll write. Question number 3. Solve x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0. Okay, just try this by yourself and let me know. Yes, students, let us see the solution of this question. So tell me, what did you all do? You all tell me, I'll write over here. What did you all do?
I'm separate dy by dx.
हम
Okay,
separate
so
करेंगे
we'll keep d. Okay, so I'll keep d, yeah, this I'll on one side and I'll take this term on the other side. So I'll get this, right? Then you're,
Yes,
ma'am.
then I'll keep dy by dx on one side. So what will be left on the other side? This
Square.
upon 2xy. Is it homogeneous?
ma'am.
Yes.
Can we make y square minus x square, taking minus
Yes,
inside?
yes. You can write that. Okay, so I'll do that. So I'll write it as y square minus x square upon 2xy. So now is it homogeneous differential equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how to convert it into variable separable? What I will take?
Ma'am, put y equal to vx.
Correct. So then dy by dx will become
dy by
v
dx
plus
becomes v
x
plus
dv by
x
dx.
into
Correct.
dv by dx.
Correct. Now you put it in equation number star.
Yes,
Put it
ma'am.
in
So
equation
there
number
v
star.
plus x dv by dx.
So left hand side will become v plus x, and right hand side
X square minus, sorry, v square minus v square into x square equal minus x square, ma'am,
okay.
upon
Now x square is common. V square minus v will be there, and the denominator
will become x square
so x square v. So this x square will get cancel, and you'll be left with v square minus 1 upon v. Okay, and 2v. Now what I will do? So I got v plus x dv by dx is equals to v square minus 1 upon 2v. Now what to do? Separate the variables. Take v on the other side. What I will get? V square minus 1 upon 2v minus v. Now cross multiply. So after doing cross multiplication, I'll get v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon 2v. Is this right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is left now? So I'll get minus v square minus 1. Is this correct? So minus is common. We'll take it out. What is left? 1 plus v square upon 2v. Okay. So I got x dv by dx as minus v1 plus v square upon 2v. Now it is possible for me to separate. Take this term on the other side. ये इधर लेके जाएंगे और ये दोनों term उधर लेके जाएंगे. But what I will get? Minus 2v upon 1 plus v square equals to 1 upon x dx. Is this right? How many of you are reached till here? No one? No one reached? The two students.
Ma'am, actually, I made some mistake earlier. Now I
Okay.
realized it.
Okay, no problem. Now variables have got separated. Now what you will do, you will just integrate them. So I'll keep minus outside. What is the integration of this left hand side? What is the integration of the left hand side?
Ma'am, log of 1 plus v square.
Why is that so? Why is that so?
Ma'am, exact derivative, ma'am.
It is of the form f dash of x upon f of x. ये जो denominator है, उसका जो derivative है, it is present in the numerator. So it is of the form f dash of x upon f of x, and इसका answer क्या हो जाएगा then? Its answer would be minus
Log
of
of mod.
minus of log of mod of 1 plus v square. Okay, and
V square.
right hand side will be log x.
Log of
Since
log
all the
of
terms
v
are in
plus
the
x.
yes, since all the terms are in the log, so the constant would also be in the log. So I'll write plus log c. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so what we can do, we can take integration. So this will become log of x plus log of 1 plus v square, and this is minus log c. Is this correct? What did I do? I took this term on this right hand side and log
Power
side
के
took on
formula
the
में
left.
substitute है.
That also can be written, but
And
purposely
power.
I wrote this way. Oh, that can also be done. Okay. Then x 1 plus v square and is equals to log c raised to minus 1. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now take antilog on both the side. I'll get yx into 1 plus v square is equals to c raised to minus 1. Now you substitute in place of v. So what I will get, v in place of v, I can write y by x, y square, x square I'll get. Okay. Then
X
cross
square
multiply x square plus y square upon x square. So one x will get
Then x
cancelled and we'll get
cancel.
x square plus y square upon x is equals to c raised to minus 1. And the c raised to minus 1, you can take it as any other constant. I can replace it by c1 also. So final
Yes.
answer would be x square plus y square upon x is equals to c1. So this is your final answer of this question. Is this understood to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write it further as x square plus y square equals to c1x also, no problem. Okay, this is also the correct answer. So with this, our homogeneous topic is done. I'll just give you one homework question and do try this question by yourself. Okay, take the homework question and इसका final answer मुझे बताओ next lecture में कितना आता है. Solve y square minus x square dy by dx is equals to x into y dy by dx. Okay. So this is a homework question. Do let me know what is the correct answer of this question in the next lecture. Okay. So that's it for the
Yes,
day.
ma'am.
I hope you all have understood.